Page 28, Main Street After Dark. This is called a canon. They tell you about it. A canon is a round. Same difference, really. I mean, you got multiple parts singing the same melody at different times. Here, the melody starts out in the right hand, and this is in the key of D minor, 1 flat, and you're starting out. Not a lot going on in this melody. You're kind of going up and down and up and down, and that's it. Well, the left hand plays the same melody, it's just 2 beats later, and instead of 2 measures, now it's 2 beats later. And that's it. There's not a lot going on, but that's a canon. One of the most famous canons is the Pachelbel canon. We've covered it in a few pieces. It's kind of a fun thing to play, but it starts out with a simple melody, and then later on somebody else gets it, and then somebody else gets it, and it's a fun thing to do.